Hi everyone, today we will do legal dictation exercise number 23. So ready? Start. The petitioner was also given his increments in terms of the rules. However, while the petitioner was so serving as an additional district and sessions judge, a complaint was received against him, filed by one Mr. Babu Ram, which was duly supported by an affidavit dated 6/8/2001 contending inter alia that the petitioner, while acting as a counsel for him, fraudulently withdrew an amount of rupees 2.6 lakh deposited with the Registrar Judicial High Court of Jammu and Kashmir, which was payable to the complainant Babu Ram. The aforesaid complaint was inquired into by the Chief Justice of the High Court through the Registrar Vigilance of the High Court. On conclusion of the inquiry, a report was submitted stating inter alia that Mr. Rajesh Kohli, the petitioner herein, who was engaged by Mr. Naren Dutt, the attorney holder of Babu Ram, identified someone else as Babu Ram before Registrar Judicial Jammu and Kashmir High Court and received an account payee check into the name of Babu Ram. In the said report, it was also alleged that the petitioner, besides identifying the impersonator as Babu Ram, also introduced him to Vijaya Bank at the time of opening of the bank account and thereby managed to unlawfully receive an amount of rupees 2.6 lakhs, while the real beneficiary Babu Ram neither appeared before the Registrar Judicial or before Vijaya Bank, nor did he receive the said amount. The aforesaid report of the Registrar Vigilance dated 24/12/2001 was placed before the Chief Justice of the Jammu and Kashmir High Court, who directed the matter be referred to the Chairman Disciplinary Committee for necessary action. The Registrar Judicial of the High Court was asked to file a criminal complaint against the petitioner before the SHO of the concerned police station. Further, during the period when the petitioner was posted to District Kargil as Principal District and Sessions Judge, he did not join their WEF 24/12/2001 to 18/1/2002, and an explanation was sought from him in that regard. Even thereafter, a complaint from a judicial employees of District Kargil was received, wherein it was alleged that the petitioner has been abusing the employees and had created lot of problems at the District Kargil. These matters are recorded in the personal records of the petitioner. After completion of the initial 2 years of his probationary period, his records and his case were required to be placed before full court for consideration of his case for confirmation or extension of period of probation or otherwise. Consequently, his records were considered by the High Court in its full court meeting held on 26/4/2003 at Jammu, wherein it was resolved as under. Resolved that services of Sri Rajesh Kohli, District and Sessions Judge, are not found satisfactory, and thus the probation of the officer is not extended. His services are dispensed with. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel Steno Star.